Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Nano Learn, Learning Made Easy. In this session, I am going to explain about Software Development Lifecycle, abbreviated as SDLC. The topics covered are what is SDLC, that is Software Development Lifecycle, different phases of SDLC. What is SDLC? A series of steps or stages or phases that provides a model for development and lifecycle management of an application is known as software development lifecycle process. It is also defined as a series of stages through which a software product progresses during its development. These are the different phases of SDLC process. It starts with system initiation, system concept development, planning, requirement analysis, design analysis, development, integration and test, deployment, operation and maintenance, followed by disposition. These are the different phases of SDLC lifecycle. Let me explain in detail about what are the different activities that are performed in each and every phase of SDLC process. The first phase is system initiation. This phase begins when a sponsor or the customer identifies a business need or an opportunity. In this phase, a project manager is appointed to manage the project. Once the identified need is documented in a concept proposal, then it moves to system concept development phase. When a business need is approved, the viability and appropriateness of the approaches for the achievement of the concept are investigated. Then the cost to benefit analysis, that is ROI, return on investment, is done in this phase. Also, the risk management is done here. It involves preparation of risk management plan, which covers identifying the risk, analyzing the risk, prioritizing the risk, and mitigating the risk is part of this phase. The third phase comes to planning phase. In this phase, the documentation of project management plan is done, which covers the project deliverables. Also, the requirements are defined and a project schedule is created in this phase. It helps to guide the team through implementation and closure stages of the project. The fourth phase is requirement analysis phase. In this phase, the user needs are analyzed and requirements are developed here. Then, a detailed functional requirement document is created in this phase. The fifth phase is design phase. In this phase, the transformation of detailed requirements into detailed system design document is done here. It always focused on how to deliver the required functionality. Next moves to development phase. In this phase, the conversion of design into a complete system will be done here. It includes procuring and installing the required systems environment, creating the required databases, preparation of the unit test cases, also creating the test files or test data required, and coding, compiling, also refining the code as required for the programs that are programmed. Also, test readiness review is done before deploying the system changes to test environment. Next moves to integration and test phase. All the system units are built in the form of units and they are integrated into various system modules, and all the modules are integrated to see the finally developed system, and the system will be validated to see that the developed system conforms to all the requirements as specified in the functional requirement document, which is abbreviated as FOD in this phase. This testing or validation is performed by the QA team and also the users Finally, the test result reports are prepared at the end. Next moves to deployment phase. In this phase, the deployment of developed system changes into production environment is done. They are made operational in the production environment. This phase is initiated once the developed system changes are tested and accepted by the user. The next phase is operations and maintenance phase. This phase describes various tasks to operate and maintain the system in the production environment. And the last phase of SDLC process is disposition or retirement phase. It describes the end of the complete system activities. Thus the end of SDLC process and different phases of SDLC. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.